Hello everybody, happy morning. It's Donna from Enchanted in the first pasture with the Hawthorn sisters. And I just thought I'd show you, as we've got the tulips beginning to come up. Now these daffodils have finished, so can you see, if I peel that sheath back, now can you see that? So here it's making seed. So all you need to do with your daffodils is pinch that off. Can you see that? Now that is the daffodil spending energy producing seed. Okay? So it's one of those lovely quick and easy jobs that we can all do this time of year. You simply, I do it with my thumbnail, but I prune with my thumbnail. So we're just going through, and if I can just get to that one. Literally 2 minutes. Now the importance of doing this is, of course, by not setting seed, it's saving its energy. And I say this every year, and I will say it again. Don't cut the foliage. Don't put elastic bands around it. Don't bend it. Just leave it. All of this leaf and all of the stems are full of the sugars that the plant makes to feed itself. The bulb has produced a beautiful flower and is now at a weakened state. By leaving all the foliage to just die down naturally, all the goodness goes back into the bulb, making next year's flower, next year's leaves, and you've got your daffodils back every spring.